Thank you for clicking onto this video. Please stay, okay, because I have something to tell you. It is a request actually, okay. My name is Jena Tungo. I live in Nairobi, Kenya. I do create different DIY hairstyles here on my YouTube channel. I know I am not popular, and maybe that is why you guys don't choose to watch my videos, but I promise you're going to find this channel very helpful because I do create different DIY hairstyles. So please be sure to watch my videos. And again, another important thing that I wanted to put out there for you all, maybe to know, especially if you're not a content creator, a YouTuber for that matter, once you have surpassed 1 year and your channel is not yet monetized, they will start deducting your watch hours. So basically, if for you to be monetized here on this platform, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. I thank God because I've surpassed the 1,000 mark. So the only thing that is pulling me backwards now is getting to 4,000 watch hours. I am past 1 year, so they have started deducting my watch hours. Please guys, watch my videos so that I can get more watch hours and eventually monetize my YouTube channel. So I'm not a quitter. I'm not going to quit because there's a time I was stuck at 50 subscribers. So you can just imagine how far this channel has come. So at this time, yes, it does get frustrating when you see the watch hours getting deducted, but just like I've mentioned, I'm not going to quit on this channel. So please help me share my videos to your friend. I have so many hair videos here on my channel. Please help me share it to your friends and to your family. And if you have watched this video till here, please be sure to like the video so that it can be recommended to other people as well. And if you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comment section down below. I will appreciate all your support. I will appreciate if you guys come through for me because I need to get to the 4,000 watch hour mark. If you are a content creator, you know exactly what I mean. I enjoy doing my hair and I love sharing it onto this platform. There's a video I made a while ago. I spoke about the challenges that I experienced as a small YouTuber, also the success that I've gotten from this channel, because it is again from YouTube that I learned how to do my own hair, and eventually I've been getting clients. At least I've been working with clients because of this skill. It is not about just posting. I love that I can share my skill, and I love that people watch my skill and eventually reach out to me so that I can do their own hair. Just to be specific, I've been getting clients from TikTok because again I do post my work on TikTok, and it is from there that people watch my content. They reach out to me. I have good engagement on my TikTok page. So I urge you, if you've watched this video till this point, please be sure to watch my videos so that I can get monetized. I know I've said this 1,000 times, but this was the aim of this video. I will appreciate it if you come through for me, guys. So I know maybe because I'm a small creator, of course you all don't know me, but if you subscribe, we'll get to know each other on the comment section, okay? And I promise that I'm going to be posting back to back hair content so that if you enjoy watching hair tutorials, then you'll be sure to watch different DIY hairstyles here on my channel. Okay, so the only challenge that I have right now is getting to 4,000 watch hours, which again my watch hours are getting deducted because some of my videos are past 1 year. They will start deducting the watch hours that I gain from my videos that are over 1 year. So please be sure to stick around for this and many more amazing hair tutorials, and I'm really looking forward to share with you once I get to the 4,000 watch hours mark. In as much as my videos are not getting so much views, I'm not going to quit. Like I've mentioned earlier, there was a time I was stuck at 50 subscribers, but I kept on showing up. I kept on posting my content. So I'm not going to quit because they're deducting my watch hours, and that is where you, my viewers, are coming in. So please be sure to watch my videos, and I will truly appreciate all your support. So this was it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you for keeping me company. I will see you again in my next one. Bye for now and take care.